Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time lock. A time lock is a powerful tool that restricts access to funds or data until a predetermined future point. It acts as a digital safe, ensuring that assets or information remain inaccessible until specific conditions are met. This mechanism significantly enhances security and trust in various digital transactions, preventing premature actions and upholding agreements over time. Understanding its core function is the first step to leveraging its benefits effectively. There are several ways time locks can be implemented. Absolute time locks specify an exact future date and time, like January 1st at noon. Relative time locks, on the other hand, activate after a set number of blocks or a duration from when a transaction is confirmed. Hash time lock contracts add another layer, requiring a secret to be revealed within a specific time frame. Each method serves different purposes, providing robust security for diverse scenarios. Time locks have many practical applications across various fields. They are essential for securing multi-signature wallets, ensuring funds are released only after multiple parties agree over a set period. They also power payment channels, enabling faster, more efficient off-chain transactions. In the world of digital assets, time locks are vital for vesting schedules, distributing tokens gradually. Even in estate planning, they can ensure assets are released at a future date. Implementing a time lock involves a few key steps. First, select a platform or protocol that offers time lock capabilities. Next, clearly define the conditions for release, whether it's a specific future date, a block height, or another trigger. Then, specify exactly which assets or data will be locked and how they will be released. Always double-check all parameters carefully before initiating the time lock to ensure it functions precisely as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.